The concept of nanotechnology was first coined by a renowned physicist, Sir Richard Feynman, who said in way back 1959 in one of his lectures that there is a plenty of room at the bottom. By bottom, he meant about the atomic and subatomic particles. He had that assessment that we can play with the features of atoms and molecules and uh, involve in a very advanced technological advancements. The nano word comes from a Greek word dwarf, which means very, very small, and nano means 1 billionth. So 1 billionth mean nano is 10 raised to minus 9. I believe that the viewers know what does 10 raised to minus 9 mean. And if we prefix nano with a meter, it becomes nanometer, which is 10 raised to minus 9 in length. Presently, we live in a world of kilometers, meters, and centimeters. So, imagining nanometer is really very difficult for us. It is very simple for us to write mathematically that 1 nanometer is 10 raised to minus 9 meter. But when materials come to that scale, the concept is not so simple. So we are trying to discuss why it is not simple for a material to think at a nano scale.